Hello, good morning. Today I'm going to show you a flying bird, how to make a flying bird. For that we need a piece of square paper and a strip of paper and again two strips of paper, a circle and a beak. Okay. Now I have taken this square paper, I have folded it like this, and again I have taken the strip, again I have folded the strip like this. Now I'm going to apply some gum here. I'm going to paste the diagonally folded paper. Then I'm going to paste the head of the bird. I have already pasted the beak also, so I'm going to paste the head. For the beak, we need a triangle piece of paper. That's enough. And now the two strips I'm going to paste by the side. Now your flying bird is ready. Once when it is dried up, you can pull it like this, then it will fly. See, I will show with this one. It's a flying bird. Thank you.